Ever pondered how a vast amount of data can transform into meaningful insights? Well, the answer lies in data analysis, and today our focus is on one of the most popular tools for this task, Excel. Excel, a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft, allows users to organize, calculate, and visualize data. It's a powerful tool, and knowing how to use it for data analysis can significantly enhance your decision-making abilities, efficiency, and productivity. Take, for instance, the field of sales. With Excel, a sales manager can analyze sales trends, identify the best-selling products, and predict future sales. These insights can guide strategy and help the manager make more informed decisions. In finance, Excel is a game changer. Financial analysts utilize it to track company expenditure, analyze financial performance, and create budgets. By converting raw financial data into understandable information, Excel allows for effective financial management and strategic planning. Human resources is another field where data analysis with Excel shines. HR managers can analyze employee data, track turnover rates, and plan recruitment using Excel. This information can be invaluable for improving employee satisfaction, retention, and overall company culture. Excel offers several features that make data analysis easier and more efficient. It includes various formulas and functions like sum, average, count, and lookup, which can perform a wide range of data analysis tasks. Pivot tables help summarize and analyze large data sets with ease. Charts visualize data, enabling easier comprehension of trends and patterns. In conclusion, Excel's power as a data analysis tool is undeniable. By transforming raw data into meaningful information, it aids decision-making, boosts efficiency, and increases productivity. Whether in sales, finance, human resources, or any other field, Excel's data analysis capabilities can provide invaluable insights. Remember, the key to mastering Excel for data analysis is practice and continuous learning. So don't hesitate to explore its features and experiment with its functions. Your journey into data analysis with Excel starts now, and the possibilities are endless. Until next time, keep analyzing.